we'll be changing the transfer case fluid on a 2008 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The tools of the trade today are a 10mm hex head or an Allen wrench, a ratchet, an oil hand pump, and an oil drain pan. For the fluid, we'll be using 2 quarts of NV245 Mopar transfer case lubricant. The transfer case is located underneath in the middle of the Jeep. The great thing about the Jeep is that you don't have to get on ramps or jack the Jeep up to access the transfer case. Just head under there and start working. And remove the fill plug that is located above it, placing the oil pan under the transfer case drain plug. After that, let's get our 10mm hex head and ratchet to remove the transfer case drain plug. The fluid should drain out fairly quickly. After that, the fluid should be drained, and we'll go ahead and install the drain plug back in. Fill plug torque specs are 15 to 25 foot-pounds of torque. Now that we have the drain plug installed, let's get our oil hand pump and fill it with our new transfer case fluid. Let's keep filling the transfer case until the fluid drips consistently out of the hole. Quickly install the fill plug, and then we are done.